Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let's make moringa tea. Moringa tea contains all the essential vitamins and the minerals that our body needs. So I love to make moringa tea. It also contains or has some antioxidants and I love to drink tea. So let me show you how I make my moringa tea. Today I'll be adding some ginger, a piece of ginger to it. So here I have my fresh moringa leaves. Yes, and I have this pinch of ginger. So let's make it. Let me show you how I make this tea every morning. I've grated the ginger. I got 1.5 tablespoons from the ginger I grated, so I'll be using about 4 cups of water. Add the water, cover the pot and bring to boil. When it boils, I'll then add a handful of the moringa leaf. Allow it again to simmer or boil for about 60 seconds or 90 seconds, just about a minute or two. Then I'll put off the gas, cover it and allow it to brew for about 5 minutes before sieving it out to serve. Nature's nectar understands. Sip the colors, taste the glow. Homemade magic starts to show. Treasure kitchen love so pure. Every flavor feels secure. And here we have our moringa and ginger tea. Ginger tea is also very good to our health. It helps to boost your immunity. It keeps inflammation away, can help to reduce inflammation. It keeps cold away too, and also helps the digestive system. So here I have it. You can also use dry moringa leaf for this tea. You can also sweeten it if you want to. You can sweeten it with honey or any other sweetener of your choice. I hope you'll be giving this a try. This tea is so refreshing, very relaxing, warming, and at the same time calming. I love it. I hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.